Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be doing my May Boxycharm versus my May Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is my first time doing a video like this on my channel. I'm super excited because I just recently got the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I was on the wait list and I finally got it. So yeah, I'm going to be comparing both of the boxes for the month of May. So before we get into today's video, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I am doing a huge giveaway right now. You guys do not want to miss out. I'll have a link for it in my description box below if you guys want to enter, and then I'll have a card on the screen so you guys can go see the video with all of the prizes. Today's post notification shout out goes to Halima. Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on. If you want to be the next shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have notifications turned on, and that's it. It's super easy. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so I think I'm first going to start out with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is like a newer subscription. They used to just do the $10 Ipsy bag, and then they recently came out with this box, which I believe is $25 a month. So I didn't find like a little sheet with all of the prices of the products, so I'm probably just gonna have to look up each of these individually. So the first thing that came in my Ipsy box are these Glam Glow bubble sheets. If you guys followed me on Instagram, you saw that I used one of these. I did get 3 in my box. So the price of each of these masks are $9. So since we got 3, the total value was $27. I'm really excited about these because I do like a lot of Glam Glow's products. This was really fun. I really liked how this like bubbled up on my face. If you guys have not seen that video, make sure to go to my Instagram and watch it. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on there because I do a lot of different like style videos and pictures on my Instagram. Also, I do a lot of giveaways on there that are different from my YouTube giveaways. So yeah, make sure you guys follow me on there. So the next thing that I got in my Ipsy box is this Wonder Beauty Wondrous Seascape eyeshadow palette. Wonder Beauty is another brand that they do sell at like Sephora, so this is a more high-end brand. This eyeshadow palette is $25 and it comes with 6 shades in it. So it looks like my shade right there is kind of a little bit broken. So it looks like there's only one matte shade in this palette, which I'm not a big fan of because I really like a bunch of matte shades for my crease. The other like shimmery shades, ooh, those do look really pretty though. Look at that blue. Okay, so these look really nice actually. I wasn't sure about this whenever I first saw that I was getting this in the box, but after swatching these look really nice. So I'm definitely gonna have to try this palette out. So the next thing that came in my box is this Candy Johnson and Purlisse body butter, which I think is kind of, I don't know, I'm not really excited about this. I feel like I would be more excited if it was like a scent that I like, but this says it's the orange creamsicle body butter, and I am not a big fan of like citrusy smells. So this body butter on the Purlisse website is $20, which is pretty expensive. To me, honestly, this packaging looks a little bit cheap. I did not expect this to be $20. I feel like I would be more excited about it if it was like a scent that I like. So the next thing is this, I believe the brand is Ginza. This is their Tone Up Primer Essential Glow Essence. So it says refine, smooth, prep, and even out skin tone in one simple step. Infused with 8 Super Blacks Essence. This satin tone-up primer blurs imperfections and color corrects while providing a healthy essential glow for perfect and prolonged foundation application. So I have never heard of this brand. I actually am really curious about this product though. I'm always excited when we get like primers in our subscription boxes. So the price of this primer is $35, which is pretty expensive, especially like I've never even heard of this brand before. The packaging though is like really pretty. Like I'm really liking the packaging a lot. All right, so there is what the primer looks like. It's just a super like light nude color. It doesn't seem to have really a scent at all. So this does feel like very smoothing on the skin. I'm definitely going to be trying this out. I'll probably use this in like, I don't know, maybe I should do like a full face of new products and try this out, or I'll probably use it on like my Instagram in a mini tutorial. So the last thing that came in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for this month are these 2 lip pencils. So these came together like this. These are from the brand Illamasqua. I believe that is like a high-end brand. I got mine in the shade Lust in Media. I don't like that I can't see like what color it is from the outside of the box, but we're gonna open these up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these, so I'm probably not gonna swatch them. So here is what this shade looks like. This is like a bright Barbie pink. I'll probably end up putting these in a giveaway just because I'm not really like big on lip liners. And then the other shade is more of like a deep berry. This one is in the shade Lust. So I just went and looked up the price of these lip pencils on the Illamasqua website, and the pricing was in pounds. So I did convert it, and they're 16 pounds, so they're each $20, which is pretty expensive for a lip liner. So these were both $40 combined. So the total value of this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus was $147. So now we're gonna go ahead and unbox my May Boxycharm. So my Boxycharm actually came with a little card with all the prices, so that makes my life so much easier when unboxing this one. The theme this month is Make Waves. Obviously, we're getting towards summertime now, so yeah, I like the theme. I'm actually kind of really happy about this month's box. So yeah, the first thing that I got is this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. I am really excited about this. I've heard really good things about this. So the price of this is $28. So I did get Glam Glow in both of my boxes this month, which I'm definitely not mad about. This says that it conditions the skin, it deep cleanses, and it removes face makeup. I have used this one time. I haven't used it after wearing makeup. I just used it this morning. It did feel nice on the skin. It didn't feel like it dried out my skin. I'm definitely going to keep using this. If you guys got this or have tried this, let me know in the comments down below if you like this cleanser or not. So the next thing that I got in my box this month is a blush palette. This is from the brand Ahmar Cosmetics. This is their Colorette Blush Trio. The price of this blush palette is $22. I have really liked all of the products that I've tried from Ahmar Cosmetics, but I'm just not really feeling these shades, so I'm probably going to pass this along to you guys in a giveaway. I have heard really good things about this palette though. I feel like people have been liking this a lot. Personally, I'm just not really into these shades, and they do look a little bit shimmery, and I prefer more of a matte blush, but I'm definitely not mad that we got this palette. I feel like this was a nice thing to get in the box. So the next thing that I got in my box, I'm actually super excited about. This is the Ciate Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. The price of this is $22 as well. This is kind of similar to the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows, and this shade is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this out. Like, look how pretty that is. It's kind of like a duochrome. It looks kind of like pinkish purple, but then whenever you move your hand around, there's like a bunch of really pretty like gold glitter in here. I'm really excited to try this out on the eyes, and I've also heard really good things about this, so this is exciting to get in the box. The next thing I'm actually like really excited about, I feel like Boxycharm is like really winning this month. We got a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. Mine is in the shade Berry Me, which I actually don't have this shade. I do have a lot of Dose of Colors lipsticks, so I was worried I was going to get like a shade that I already have. The price of this is $18. This shade is so pretty. I feel like this will be really nice for like the fall time. It's just like that really pretty like deep berry. You could also wear this like in the springtime. I really like the formula of the Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. They dry down nice and matte, and they're also really comfortable on the lips. So yeah, I'm super happy that I got this. And then the last thing that I got in my Boxycharm this month is from the brand Mellow. This is their brow definer. The price of this is $18. I'm probably not going to open this because I'm just not really like into brow products that we get in our boxes, because I already have like the brow products that I know and love, like my Anastasia Dip Brow, Anastasia Brow Wiz. All my brow products are pretty much Anastasia. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm for the month of May. The total value of this month's box was $108. So the value is quite a bit less than the Ipsy one, but to be honest with you guys, I am way more excited about my Boxycharm products than I am about the Ipsy products. The Ipsy box had $39 more of like value in it, but yeah, I just wasn't really that like happy with anything that I got in my Ipsy box besides the Glam Glow masks. The price of the Ipsy subscription is a little bit more than Boxycharm, so I would expect the value to be more. So overall this month, I would definitely say that Boxycharm killed it. I feel like they had way better of a box than Ipsy. Leave me a comment down below with which box you think was better this month. I would love to hear what your guys' opinion is. So yeah, I think that is it for today's video. Let me know if you guys like videos like this. I can definitely definitely do more videos where I compare different subscription services. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys go enter that giveaway I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. I'll have it linked in my description box below. And I'm also going to have links to both Boxycharm's website and Ipsy's website if you guys want to sign up for either of these subscriptions. And I'm also going to have all of the products that I got in each of my boxes this month linked there if you guys want to check any of them out. And before you leave, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.